Hello LEGO fans, this is the top 10 LEGO sets of the week. Hello LEGO fans and welcome to your channel Most Gifted. This is LEGO Technic McLaren Senna GTR, 42,123. Looking for the ultimate gift for a child or teen who loves supercar toys? This LEGO Technic McLaren Senna GTR trademark, 42,123, is a great choice, and adult McLaren fans will love it too. Packed with authentic features inspired by the original track-focused supercar icon, this collectible model toy is sure to set pulses racing. Realistic details and powerful functions. The McLaren Senna GTR is a car unlike any other. And this awesome LEGO Technic toy version is equally impressive. Check out the V8 engine with moving pistons, iconic dihedral doors that open, plus authentic graphics and colors, just like on the real car. Steer using the wheel, then put the model on display where it's sure to draw many admiring glances. Open up the world of engineering. LEGO Technic sets feature realistic movement and mechanisms that introduce LEGO builders to the universe of engineering in an approachable and realistic way. A stunning build for supercar fans, the LEGO Technic McLaren Senna GTR 42,123 model building kit is packed with realistic details inspired by the iconic original. Check out this supercar toy model's authentic features, like the detailed V8 engine with moving pistons and dihedral doors that open up and out in the unmistakable style of the real McLaren. Enjoy steering the McLaren toy car using the wheel on top. Looking for the best gift ideas for a motorsport fan or supercar lover? This set makes a great choice for kids aged 10 and up who'd love to build and display their own McLaren race car. This awesome track-focused supercar toy model looks great on display and is sure to capture the imagination of any kid or adult with a passion for supercars, motorsport, and McLaren. Model measures over 3 inches. 9 centimeters, high, 12 inches. 32 centimeters, long and 4 inches. 12 centimeters, wide. This collectible McLaren toy car features eye-catching graphics and colors, just like on the real supercar. Scale up the superhero action with LEGO Marvel Avengers Classic Thor Mech Armour, 76,169. This super-sized, buildable, action toy features a Thor mech with movable limbs and a giant, detachable hammer. A mega gift for Marvel fans. Kids use the Thor minifigure to take on enemies, with help from his mystical hammer, then supersize the mighty warrior by putting him in the cockpit of the giant mech. The mech has movable arms and legs and a giant hammer gripped tight in its powerful hands, so Marvel Avengers fans can use it to recreate favorite movie scenes and have epic battles with other mechs in their collection. Supersize the superhero action with the mighty, LEGO Marvel Avengers Classic Thor Mech Armour, 76,169, to give any budding superhero a hands-on treat. Includes a Thor minifigure, a buildable mech with a large hammer that fits in its gripping hand, plus a smaller hammer for the minifigure that also attaches to the mech's leg. Kids can put the Thor minifigure into the mech's opening cockpit, then use the movable mech and its super-sized hammer to roleplay epic battles with a whole universe of bad guys. A great birthday, holiday, or any day treat for young superheroes aged 7 and up who love hands-on buildable action toys. Standing over 4 inches. 12 centimeters, tall, this durable, buildable mech inspires endless imaginative roleplay and, when the day's battles are over, looks cool on display in a kid's room. The LEGO Minecraft The Bee Farm, 21,165, playset is buzzing with roleplay possibilities. Minecraft players and non-players alike can enjoy endless, hands-on, imaginative play with fun characters and creatures from the online game. Open-ended play inspired by Minecraft. Kids can join the friendly bees as they help the flowers and crops to grow and make honey in the beehive. But they must also fend off a swarm of angry bees, which fly together through the air, whiz round in circles and fly free to attack the sheep and the frightened villager. Exciting, engaging and educational, this versatile set includes innovative, hands-on features, a winged beekeeper, villager, and 8 busy bees, so the fun can start right away. Real-life Minecraft action with LEGO brick building toys. Looking for the best birthday present or holiday gift for a Minecraft fan? LEGO Minecraft playsets put all the fun of the online game and more right into kids' hands. Featuring characters and creatures from the online game, the LEGO Minecraft The Bee Farm, 21,165, playset is buzzing with hands-on, role-play possibilities for Minecraft players and non-players alike. Includes a beekeeper with elytra wings, villager, baby sheep, 4 friendly bees and 4 angry bees. The set also includes a rotatable flying feature from which the bees can fly free to wreak havoc. Kids can join 4 friendly bees as they help flowers and crops to grow, and help the beekeeper to fend off 4 angry bees, which hover in the air, whiz round in circles and fly free to frighten the sheep and the villager. Minecraft players and non-players alike aged 8 and up will get a buzz from this fun bee toy. Makes a great birthday or holiday gift for kids looking for new ways to play their favorite game. This versatile LEGO Minecraft playset measures over 7 in, 19 centimeters, high, 6 in, 16 centimeters, wide and 5 in, 13 centimeters, deep. Players can build, play, rearrange, and play again, and combine it with other LEGO Minecraft toys for even more fun. This is LEGO brick version of Luke Skywalker's X-Wing Fighter 75301. Children become heroes in their own epic stories with this cool LEGO brick version of Luke Skywalker's X-Wing Fighter 75301, from the classic Star Wars trilogy. It's packed with authentic details to delight fans, including an opening LEGO minifigure cockpit with space behind for R2-D2, wings that can be switched to attack position at the touch of a button, retractable landing gear and 2 spring-loaded shooters. Play and display. This awesome building toy for kids features Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia, and General Dodonna LEGO minifigures, each with weapons, including Luke's lightsaber, plus an R2-D2 LEGO droid figure. The best buildable toys for kids. The LEGO Group has been recreating iconic starships, vehicles, locations, and characters from the Star Wars universe since 1999. LEGO Star Wars is now its most successful theme with fun gift ideas for creative kids, and adults too. Recreate scenes from the classic Star Wars trilogy with this awesome building toy for kids, featuring a LEGO brick-built version of Luke Skywalker's iconic X-Wing Fighter, 75301. Includes Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia, and General Dodonna LEGO minifigures, each with weapons including Luke's lightsaber, plus an R2-D2 LEGO droid figure for role-play adventures. The X-Wing features an opening LEGO minifigure cockpit, space for R2-D2, wings that can be switched to attack position at the touch of a button, retractable landing gear and 2 spring-loaded shooters. Fun to build and play with solo or as a group activity, this building toy makes a super birthday present, holiday gift or surprise treat for creative kids and any Star Wars fan aged 9 and up. This Starfighter construction model measures over 3 inches, 8 centimeters, high, 12.5 inches, 31 centimeters, long and 11 inches. 28 centimeters, wide, and looks awesome displayed in a child's bedroom between playtime missions. This is LEGO 31202 Art Disney's Mickey Mouse set. If you're a fan of classic Disney characters, we have a project just for you. You can build one of 2 wall decor portraits with this LEGO Art Disney's Mickey Mouse 31202 set and enjoy a creative mosaic project that offers active stress relief as you build. LEGO relaxation for adults. Spend some rejuvenation time assembling a tile picture of either Disney's Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse with this 2,658-piece set. As you build, listen to the included soundtrack and learn more about the iconic characters. Up for a change? Rebuild it or collect 2 sets and create a united Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse wall decoration. Creative possibilities. You don't have to be an artist or Lego collector to appreciate the creativity of this set. Once finished, display it on a wall or shelf in your home or office. This Lego art set is part of a unique collection of building kits focused on art, music, design, and architecture that also make a great gift for anyone, including yourself, seeking a new project. Show off your love of Disney's Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse with this stunning mosaic Lego art Disney's Mickey Mouse 31202 set. You can display the piece on your wall or shelf after creating it. Enjoy a relaxing break with this Lego set, featuring over 2,650 pieces, including 9 canvas wall decor plates, Disney signature tile, brick-built Lego frame, unique hanging element and a tile tool. This set lets you relax and recharge while you focus on your appreciation for Disney's Mickey Mouse through art. With the included soundtrack, you can learn new details as you build. To push your creativity further, combine 2 of the craft hobby sets to create a special united piece, featuring Disney's Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse on a distinctive background. A portrait measures over 15.5 inches, 40 centimeters, square and offers 2 building options. It makes a meaningful gift for yourself or other Disney enthusiasts in your life who also love DIY projects. This is LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Moment, Herbology Class, 76,384. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Moment, Herbology Class, 76,384, is a classroom playset inside a brick-built playbook. Kids open the cover and instantly enter Professor Sprout's herbology lesson in the Hogwarts greenhouse. A pick-up-and-play Hogwarts Herbology class. This portable playset is filled with familiar features from the Harry Potter movies. Some are built-in, such as the storage cupboard, and some are loose, like the watering station, which lifts out to expand the play space. This captivating Harry Potter playset can be combined with other playsets in the collection, each opening to reveal a different Hogwarts classroom adventure. Designed with distinctive colors and a unique motif, the playsets all connect to create a 360-degree Hogwarts play space for kids to explore. Magical gifts for Harry Potter fans. Looking for a treat for a Harry Potter enthusiast? There are lots of LEGO Harry Potter playsets to choose from, each designed to enchant and inspire kids' imaginations. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Moment, Herbology Class, 76,384, is a brick-built playbook that opens and unfolds to reveal the Hogwarts greenhouse, where a herbology lesson is taking place. Includes Cedric Diggory, Neville Longbottom and Professor Sprout minifigures, a spell book, pumpkin patch, watering station with bucket and golden faucet, and a greenhouse backdrop. Kids lift the cover to enter Professor Sprout's herbology lesson. There is gardening equipment and enchanted plants to practice with, and safety warnings about the monstrous mandrake. For ages 8 and up. A great gift for young witches and wizards looking for a different way to experience Harry Potter magic and excitement. This magical Hogwarts moment set measures over 5 inches. 12 centimeters, high, 3 inches. 8 centimeters, wide and 1.5 inches. 4 centimeters, deep, an ideal size for pick-up and play portability. It looks cool on a bookshelf, too. This LEGO Police Station, 10,278. Escape into a delicious world of deceit, detection, and donuts with this LEGO Police Station, 10,278, model. Enjoy hours of immersive building as you create the 3-floor police station. See the brick-built staircase wind through detailed floors that can be removed to let you explore inside. Next door is a donut shop brimming with treats and, to the other side, a newspaper kiosk. Criminally good details. This impressive set is packed with hidden features and clever design. With an evidence locker, jail cell, interrogation room, and caseboard, complete with red lines connecting the clues, the police have all they need to solve the mystery. There are also a number of novel pieces within the set to appeal to adult LEGO fans. A building project for you. The LEGO Police Station is part of the Imaginative Modular Buildings collection. Whether you're building alone or with family, this is a challenge to focus the mind in an eye-catching display piece to enjoy alongside other LEGO modular buildings. Packed with clever design features and unexpected surprises, this LEGO Police Station, 10,278, model building kit is the perfect set for adults looking for a mindful project. Discover stylish features with crime-busting details, including a caseboard with authentic red lines connecting the clues, reel-to-reel recorder, jail cell, evidence locker, and more. With 2,923 pieces and 5 minifigures, including a 1940s-era police officer, there's lots to discover. Printed tiles like the billboard, telephone, and typewriter bring the detailed scenes to life. Ideal for true crime fans and LEGO lovers alike, this building kit gives hours of enjoyment and a creative experience that will appeal to adults. Adult LEGO fans will love the novel pieces in this set, including 2 pieces in ultra-rare nougat color, 4 blank animal head pieces used for the cornice detail and an inverted 2-color arch. Measures over 14.5 inches. 37 centimeters high, including antennae, 10 inches. 25 centimeters wide and 10 inches. 25 centimeters deep. This is LEGO Marvel Spider-Man, Spider-Man and Ghost Rider vs Carnage 76173. Let kids control a unique superhero clash involving 3 iconic Marvel characters, with LEGO Marvel Spider-Man, Spider-Man and Ghost Rider vs Carnage, 76173. Amazing, blazing Marvel megastars. Young superheroes are in for non-stop, red-hot action and adventure when teenage web-slinger Spider-Man and supervillain Carnage come together with walking inferno Ghost Rider and his flame-covered, 3-stud shooter supercharger-equipped car. This fun-packed playset will provide kids with endless excitement and entertainment as they build, play out and display scenes with the thrilling trio. For extra creative fun, the downloadable LEGO Building Instructions app includes Digital Instructions Plus, which allows kids to zoom, rotate, and visualize their playset as they build. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man, Spider-Man and Ghost Rider vs Carnage, 76173, is a premium playset packed with imaginative play possibilities featuring 3 iconic characters from the Marvel Universe. Includes Spider-Man, Carnage and Ghost Rider minifigures. Ghost Rider's robust, stylish car has a removable roof, removable flames, and a 3-stud shooter supercharger peeking out of its hood. The trio of classic Marvel characters, plus the amazing Ghost Rider car, provide kids with endless possibilities to build, play, and display as they role-play endless, imaginative superhero adventures. For ages 7 and up. This standout set is a perfect gift idea for a young superhero's birthday, holiday, or special treat. Ghost Rider's car measures over 1 inch. 5 centimeters, high, 7 inches. 19 centimeters, long and 2 inches. 7 centimeters, wide and looks great on display in kids' rooms. LEGO 71383 Super Mario Starter Course with this Wiggler's Poison Swamp expansion set. Encounter a Wiggler in the soda jungle with this action-packed expansion set to add to your LEGO Super Mario Starter Course. Wiggle and slam the Wiggler to unfold the secret bridge. Beware of the Goomba hiding under the bridge. Use the rotating platform and raft to avoid the poison swamp. Gain awesome powers from the Superstar block and defeat the Koopa Paratroopa to complete your epic journey. Young builders can create all sorts of challenges in a brick build, poisonous soda jungle to add to their LEGO Super Mario Starter Course with this Wiggler's Poison Swamp expansion set, 71383. Includes LEGO toy figures of iconic Super Mario enemies, a Wiggler, Goomba, and Koopa Paratroopa, for LEGO Mario, figure not included, to defeat. Features a sliding platform, folding bridge, and a detachable raft for players to interact with on their journey, plus a Superstar block that offers extra powers and enhanced rewards. This 374-piece, unique toy playset is an ideal birthday, holiday, or surprise LEGO gift for kids aged 7 and up who own the starter course, 71360, which is required for interactive play. This creative toy building set measures over 2.5 inches. 6 centimeters, high, 12 inches. 31 centimeters, wide and 10 inches. 26 centimeters, deep in its basic formation and can be rebuilt and mixed with other LEGO Super Mario sets. This is Lego brick version of the Imperial TIE Fighter 75300. Kids can roleplay as the villains from the classic Star Wars trilogy with this cool Lego brick version of the Imperial TIE Fighter 75300. Capturing the authentic, sleek design of an iconic starfighter in the Imperial fleet, it features an opening Lego minifigure cockpit and 2 spring-loaded shooters. Roleplay adventures. There are also 2 Lego minifigures, a TIE Fighter pilot with a blaster pistol and Stormtrooper with a blaster, plus an NIL-8 protocol droid to inspire fun creative roleplay and storytelling. Star Wars action in Lego style. The Lego Group has been creating brick-built versions of iconic Star Wars starfighters, vehicles, locations, and characters since 1999. It's become a hugely successful theme with an awesome assortment of toy building sets and the best gift ideas for kids and fans of all ages. Fans can build their own missile-shooting Lego brick version of the iconic Imperial TIE Fighter 75300, and reimagine scenes from the classic Star Wars trilogy with this buildable playset. Includes 2 Lego Star Wars minifigures, a TIE Fighter pilot with a blaster pistol and a Stormtrooper with a blaster, plus an NIL-8 protocol droid Lego figure for role-play adventures. The TIE Fighter features an opening Lego minifigure cockpit and 2 spring-loaded shooters for action-packed play. Great for solo building or sharing the fun with friends and family, this set makes the best birthday present, holiday gift or surprise treat for creative kids and any Star Wars fan aged 8 and up. Measuring over 6.5 inches. 17 centimeters, high, 5.5 inches. 14 centimeters, long and 6 inches. 15 centimeters, wide, it makes a striking display piece in any child's bedroom between playtime battles. If you love the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.